What is Web3? Is it an app? Can I download it? People ask me this all the time, and the answer is no. You cannot go to App Store and download Web3. It's not even an app. So if it's not an app, what is it? And more importantly, how can you make money from it as a beginner? In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what Web3 is and give you 3 easy ways to start earning. So make sure to watch this video to the very end. Before we start, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is mosescnx. I'm a Web3 video creator and editor. My goal is to break down complex topics into beginner-friendly videos. So if you ever need help with scripting, editing or content, feel free to reach out. Now let's get into it. Let's start with the word web. Web simply means the internet, where you browse, use apps and watch videos. The word 3 in Web3 means the third version of the internet. Think of it like a massive software update. To understand it, let's go back a little. First, we had Web 1. This was read-only era. Think of newspaper. You could read, but you couldn't like, comment or post. Then come Web 2, the version we use today. This is the era of big tech companies like Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Google, Twitter and the rest. They give us free access, but in return they collect our data, control what we see, control the platform. If they want to ban your account, you are gone. Now here comes Web 3. Web 3 is the version of internet where you are in control, not big tech companies. Here is the difference. You own your data. No one sells it without your permission. No sign-ups. You use app without giving away your email or password. Everything runs on a blockchain, a public secure system that can't be changed. These apps are called decentralized apps. They are not owned by one CEO, but they are powered by the community. Now let's talk about the money part. What are the easiest way to earn in Web3 as a complete beginner? The first on my list is Airdrop. New projects often give away free tokens to early users. You just need to complete small tasks like following them or testing their platform. You don't need money to start. The second on my list is beginner-friendly task. Projects pay you for simple things like testing their app, sharing posts, giving feedback, or writing short reviews. Now, the third method is using your skills. Even as a beginner, skills like video editing, content creation, community management are high in demand. Projects need people to help them grow. The key is to start small, focus on learning and grow steadily. Web3 reward patience and knowledge, not shortcuts. If this video helped you understand Web3, do me a favor, like this post, comment Web3 is the future so I know you are watching. And if you are serious about finding opportunity, click the link in my bio or the link in the description of this video to join my free Telegram channel where I share updates and opportunities every week. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow me on X. See you in my next post.